I have been making video, talking in front of camera, even people, there is an intention. You don't know. Do you know what is my intention? Why I'm doing this? Every single work behind has a intention. So I'm doing this. It has behind the intention. You don't know. I want to be a master and a saint. You know, there are many saints over the world, such as Italian, Canadian, Indian, US, UK. There are many saints over the world. But I like an American accent. And I have to master an American accent. That's why every single day I like to talk with people, even in front of camera, so that I can master an accent. Exactly, American accent is most attractive for me, and I'm mastering this accent. I like to speak with American accent. Exactly, I cannot do that, but I have many problems. My mouth problem, my tone problem, my vocal tune problem. I have been overcoming everything so that I can speak English like an American. That's why I've been talking a lot every single day. When I get time, I don't waste my time. I just talk with people, even with in front of camera, so that I can master an accent. And I think if I practicing more 6 months, one day I'll be a good English speaker and I can master American accent.